In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily download and install Epson L3150 printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the button search bar here and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, the best match would appear. Please click on the open option to continue. And in a few moments, you will be redirected to the Google Chrome browser itself. So please wait until everything are set there before you continue. So here, please navigate at the search bar and type for Epson L3150 driver. Then once done typing, hit the enter key so that you would be redirected to the result. So please proceed to the first result. Click on it. And in that way, you would be able to bring this up, or you can simply click on this backward arrow and choose this Epson L3150 support. So just select any of this. Anyway, they have similar options. Okay. So this kind of window would appear. Please click on download so that you can refresh this window. And please wait until it would be available for us. I mean, a list of the option would be available for us where we can download our printer driver, which is the L3150 in our Windows 11 PC or laptop. So from here, it will ask you to choose your operating system. Click on this down arrow key and choose for Windows 11. If you have Windows 11 PC, just select any of this, okay? So click on go so that you would be redirected to the location where you can see the driver for Windows 11 operating system. So click on this, just scroll down and click on this downloads again. And please wait until a driver would be available for us. Now you can see here a list of results. Please click on this drivers, and in that way you would be able to bring this up. All you need to do is you need to navigate to the option called printer driver, which is this one, and click on this download option aligning to it. And in that way it will now start on the downloading. So navigate to the upper right side of that and please wait until this would be downloaded successfully before we continue to the installation. Once done, please click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. And in that way, you would be navigated here. All you need to do is you need to make a right click and go with the Scott icon. Okay, click on it, close the window, as well as this one. And here, please make a right click and go with the spaced icon. The moment you have pasted it, please make a right click, okay, and scroll down to the second to the last option where you can see the WinRAR tool, okay, and go with extract to. You can also double tap to that file, and in that way you would be able to extract the application that you have just recently downloaded, which contains your printer driver. Now, once a new file folder has been placed or has been showing up here at the desktop, that would mean that you have successfully extracted or unzipped the file. So this is the time that we need to proceed to the settings where we can manually install our printer driver. So at the start icon, please make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. So from here, please navigate to the left pane where you can see a list of the option, and please locate with the option which is called Bluetooth and devices. So under the Bluetooth and devices, you can see their printers and scanners. Tap on it and proceed with the option called Add a device. So it is now proceeding you to the adding of device where you can add it manually. Click on it. So this kind of window would appear. Choose for add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port. In my case, I'll be setting USB 001. So click on next and go with have disk. Click on browse. And since our extracted file has been located at the desktop, then we need to navigate to the desktop, scroll down on the desktop option again and go with the extracted file, double tap to it, and just select any of this. Again, select any of this. So click on open, click on OK, and it will be added here. Click on next, go with next, and please wait until the installation would be finished. So you can allow for printer sharing by turning this on, or you can simply decline it by clicking on do not share this printer. So click on next. And if you would like it to set it as your default printer, you can turn this on. In my case, I'm leaving it unchecked. So go with finished, and there you have that. You have just successfully installed the Epson L3150 series in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay? So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day everyone.